Well, the transition back to online learning is still in limbo tonight for Maryland's largest school district. Earlier this week, Montgomery County Public Schools announced new policies that would decide when and how online learning would work again if the COVID situation gets worse. But everything that they said earlier this week has completely changed. Cheyenne Corinne is with us now. She covers Montgomery County for us. Cheyenne, what is going on? I'm assuming that this is very, very frustrating for parents and students and even staff members as well.
That's exactly right, Joseph. A lot of back and forth happening here at Maryland's largest school district. Today, MCP announcing that they'll no longer be using that 5% threshold just days after announcing this new measure earlier this week.
I was like just taken back to 2020. A 5% positivity rate in a county that is nearly 30% positive. This was going to ensure that all of our schools were going to close.
After receiving clarification from state officials, Montgomery County Public Schools says there will no longer be an automatic trigger to review whether students shift to virtual learning. Officials say the decision to eliminate its 5% threshold was made to align with other school systems. In a letter to the community, MCPS wrote, "Moving forward, MCPS and the Department of Health and Human Services will examine schools on a case-by-case basis to determine if any particular school needs to transition to virtual learning for a designated period of time." The 209 county schools then went virtual after passing the 5% threshold, and in just 24 hours, 115 schools entered the red area as well, but remained open. The new change has left parents confused and frustrated. They say the school system failed to update the new color-coded model daily as promised.
It's a very outdated metric, and we need to move away from this. And we cannot let school closures be the answer to surges. We cannot normalize this. There will be surges. It's an endemic virus. We're going to see this all the time, and we simply need to manage this without closing the doors.
Now, as far as those 11 schools that already transitioned to virtual learning, MCPS says that by Sunday, the community will have an update as to how they'll move forward. But for now, I'm reporting in Montgomery County, Maryland. I'm Cheyenne Corinne for WDVM 25. Joseph?
Oh, lots of confusion there. Cheyenne, thank you. So in making the decision to switch to virtual learning, the school system says they will look at the number of students and staff who test positive, students in quarantine, absent staff for COVID-related reasons, and the overall level of the spread of the virus.